came in the mail. Come on. Oh. It's a box. Can you open it?
I can't open it.
Oh.
I'm so excited to what's inside.
Let's see. What is it? What? What is that?
It's Percy. It's Percy. It's Percy Streamlined Thomas Streamlined. He's Streamlined Thomas.
Yes, he is. You want to build it?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
What a surprise.
We're going to need Daddy's help for sure.
Oh, goodness.
Here's some scissors just in case.
Nearly 6 feet long. All right.
6 feet long.
Let's see if I want Thomas to win.
You want
You
Thomas,
want
to,
Thomas
win?
to win?
We'll have
Well,
to see.
We'll give Percy old batteries then.
That's not fair, Daddy.
That's the bridge.
That's the bridge.
Yeah, that's how we put the bridge together. There's two bridges.
How did we get to this Thomas?
Oh my goodness, it's Trackmaster switches.
Trackmaster switches.
Yeah,
Oh, that's cool. We don't have any of those. Fun.
That's new for Miss.
Okay.
Here you go.
Oh.
You got to finish helping me pull the rest of this out, goober.
Look at all that work.
And these are the things you
Oh,
do.
and that looks complicated.
You can do this to stop her. We can use these.
Stop.
Oh, man.
That's fancy.
This Streamlined Thomas
What?
is now my favorite.
Whoa.
When I close this bridge right here, someone comes up right now and then this
And then
flag.
hit. Oh, that's fancy. All right. Daddy, do we have batteries?
I'm adding the fuel right now.
Oh, this guy is so neat.
All right.
I love
Yes,
it.
Streamlined Thomas.
Thomas. And I think he's going to be in the new movie. Now, what does Percy have? Oh, that's so cool.
Racing stripes.
He has racing stripes. They're working.
I'm not sure how that works.
Wait. Oh, no. Percy, hold on. Hold on, Percy. No, hold on. Hold on.
Probably need to test on it before you
Oh, okay. There they go. Oh, they're doing good. They're doing good.
Andrew, what are you doing? They're racing. Why are you messing with them?
Wow, he just flips over that hill. And they come back, and Percy won. All right, we have a malfunction. We're going to see if Daddy can fix it.
No pressure.
Dad, can you?
He's
Train
gonna
stop.
try and fix the piece because it's not doing this thing.
We're going to see why this one's all kinds of... Oh, yeah, that's why.
Why?
It's all off inside
Oh,
of
it's
him.
off. Is it fixable?
I think so.
Okay.
I mean, without seeing the other one, I can't tell you for sure, but I think it's probably okay.
Like it's just off the track there?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's try it.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
It's working!
There.
What does it say?
Fish line.
Go!
Oh, I think it's going to be Thomas. Oh, it's going to be close.
Here they come.
I
Who's
think
gonna
it's,
win?
I think it's gonna be.
Oh, Thomas wins!
This Streamlined Thomas versus Percy.
All right, let's do it.
Get set, go.
Oh. There they go.
Oh,
Oh no!
oh,
Oh no, Percy!
Percy's
Oh
on the
no!
track.
Percy over there.
Go.
This is suspect. I think Percy has quite an edge. Oh!
3,
Ready?
2, 1, go! Oh, you cheater!
Oh no! Come on, guys! Oh no, Percy! Ah!
get mark, get set, go.
Go!
Anywhere.
Let's see what they do. Let's see what they do.
Thomas lost his
Wait,
plane.
Thomas dropped his cargo. That's not fair. Thomas.
Ready, set, go. Yay, Percy's gonna win.
Oh,
Percy's the winner.
why is there a clear bell?
Percy wins. Yeah!
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no, you're in. I think Percy's gonna win.
Oh, I think Percy might win.
Oh, is Percy gonna do it? Go, Percy, go! What?
Toby square.
We got some smack talk.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Go!
Oh,
Who's gonna do it? Who's gonna do it? Oh! You're coming
I think
around.
Classic Thomas needs
You're
some
coming around.
balance.
Go, Toby! Yay!
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Come on, guys!
Oh,
Oh no! Oh no!
he spun out.
Let's see, let's see. Oh. I think Percy's gonna do it. Yay!
Wow.
All right, guys, we're gonna keep playing. We'll see you next time. This is a cool track.